Across the vast savannas of Africa, a single seed takes root. It's a humble beginning, easily overlooked. Yet, with consistent nourishment from the sun and rain, it grows into a towering baobab tree, a testament to the power of time and dedication. In the bustling human world, we often seek grand gestures, overnight transformations. But true change, like the growth of a mighty tree, unfolds gradually, nurtured by daily actions. Imagine if just 1 hour a day could transform every area of your life. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Let's explore how dedicating one focused hour can make a world of difference. How this seemingly small commitment can reshape your habits, your skills, your relationships, and ultimately, your entire life. As the first rays of dawn paint the sky, a new day begins. But unlike the reactive nature of the animal kingdom, we humans have the unique ability to choose how we begin ours. Claim the first hour of your day. Before the world demands your attention, before emails flood your inbox, carve out this sacred space for yourself. Silence your phone. Resist the urge to check social media. This is your time, a sanctuary to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Read, write, meditate, exercise. Fill this hour with activities that nourish your soul and set the tone for a productive, fulfilling day. Remember, the way you begin your day often dictates the rhythm of the hours that follow. Make it count. In the wild, a lioness guards her cubs fiercely, protecting them from any threat. Your dedicated hour deserves the same unwavering defense. Treat this time as non-negotiable, a sacred appointment with yourself. Just as you wouldn't cancel a crucial meeting, refuse to let distractions steal this precious hour. Inform your family, colleagues, and friends. Let them know this is your time for growth and self-improvement, and that their understanding is valuable to you. Distractions will inevitably arise, attempting to lure you back into the reactive cycle. But remember, each interruption, each stolen minute, chips away at the foundation of your commitment. Protect your hour fiercely. It is an investment in your future self. A ship without a rudder is at the mercy of the wind and waves. Similarly, effort without direction leads to frustration and a lack of progress. At the start of your hour, take 3 minutes to clarify your goals. What are you working towards? What skills do you want to develop? What aspects of your life need attention? Write down your objectives, no matter how big or small. This simple act provides clarity and transforms aimless effort into focused action. Having a clear direction transforms each hour from a drop in the ocean to a deliberate stroke, propelling you towards the shores of your dreams. Remember, it's not about doing more, but about doing what matters most. In the animal kingdom, survival depends on continuous adaptation and learning. Similarly, our growth hinges on our willingness to acquire new knowledge and hone our skills. Dedicate a portion of your hour to learning. Read books, take online courses, listen to podcasts, or seek guidance from mentors. Absorb information like a sponge, constantly expanding your horizons. But, knowledge without application is like a seed unplanted. So dedicate the remaining time to practicing what you've learned. Put theory into action, experiment, and embrace the learning that comes from making mistakes. Finally, as the hour draws to a close, take 5 minutes to reflect. What did you accomplish? What challenges did you face? What adjustments can you make tomorrow to improve? This consistent reflection turns experience into wisdom. A thriving ecosystem requires balance. Similarly, a fulfilling life requires nurturing all aspects of our being: our health, our wealth, and our relationships. Dedicate 1 hour to physical activity. Move your body, stretch, breathe deeply, or lift weights. A healthy body fuels a focused mind, providing the energy and resilience needed to pursue your goals. Use another hour to cultivate your financial well-being. Explore side hustles, invest in your education, or develop skills that can generate income beyond your 9 to 5. Financial freedom provides choices and opportunities. Finally, dedicate an hour to nurturing your relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones. Listen attentively, offer support, and express your appreciation. Strong relationships are the foundation of a happy and meaningful life. 1 hour a day may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but like the patient accumulation of coral polyps building a magnificent reef, these hours compound over time, creating something extraordinary. 1 hour a day equates to over 300 hours a year. That's more than 7 work weeks dedicated solely to your growth and development. Imagine the transformation possible with that kind of focused effort. As you stack your hours, you'll notice a shift. Your habits will evolve, your confidence will soar, and your identity will begin to align with the person you aspire to be. There will be days when life throws curveballs, when you miss a day or two. Don't despair. Simply acknowledge the setback and recommit the next day. Consistency is key, but it doesn't demand perfection. We often convince ourselves that grand transformations require extraordinary circumstances. But the truth is, lasting change doesn't require miracles, special permissions, or perfect conditions. It requires one simple thing: consistent, dedicated effort. The power to change your life already resides within you. It's not about finding more time, but about making better use of the time you have. Start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Choose 1 hour, protect it fiercely, and dedicate it to your growth. This single, consistent action has the power to reshape your habits, your skills, your relationships, and ultimately, your entire life. 1 hour, every day. That's all it takes. As we've witnessed, the most remarkable transformations often begin with the smallest of steps. Just as a single seed can blossom into a towering tree, a single hour, dedicated and protected, can blossom into a life richer and more fulfilling than you ever thought possible. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today with just 1 hour and watch how your life transforms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's embark on this journey of growth and self-discovery together, 1 hour at a time.